There is a specific kind of exhaustion that comes from a typical shopping mall. We have all felt it. The recycled air, the artificial lighting, the noise echoing off hard surfaces, and the frantic energy of crowds rushing from point A to point B. It is a draining experience. But what happens when you remove the roof? What happens when you replace the fluorescent hum with the sound of Pacific Ocean breezes and trickling water? Welcome to Fashion Island in Newport Beach. To call this a mall feels like a misunderstanding of what this space actually is. This is a sanctuary. It is a masterclass in coastal architecture that proves luxury isn't about excess. It is about the absence of stress. Over the next few minutes, we are going to explore why this specific location feels less like a retail center and more like a high-end resort for your mind. The first thing that shifts your perspective is the arrival. As you step onto these walkways, the immediate sensation is space. Most luxury centers try to compress as many stores as possible into a small footprint. Here, the philosophy is the opposite. The walkways are expansive. The sightlines are wide and unobstructed. You are immediately hit with the realization that nobody here is rushing. This is the power of open-air design. By allowing the natural environment to dictate the flow, the urgency disappears. You are surrounded by mature palm trees that sway gently in the wind, creating a rhythmic, calming visual that you simply cannot get inside a building. You aren't fighting a crowd, you are taking a walk. As we move deeper into the center, take a moment to look at the details of the retail experience itself. We are walking past icons of the industry, Bloomingdale's, Neiman Marcus, and curated boutiques like Veronica Beard. In any other city, these names might signal a chaotic shopping trip, but here, look at the exteriors. The storefronts are integrated into the landscape. They don't scream for your attention with flashy digital signage or clutter. They sit back, elegant and understated. The limestone facades and clean glass reflect the blue sky and the greenery. It turns window shopping into an aesthetic experience rather than a commercial bombardment. It feels curated, intentional, and incredibly polished. But the true secret to the Fashion Island feel lies in the spaces between the stores. Listen for a moment. What do you hear? You don't hear the roar of traffic, even though we are in the heart of Newport Beach. You hear water. The fountains here are not just decorative, they are sonic anchors. The sound of falling water acts as natural white noise, creating a privacy bubble around you. This encourages something rare in the modern world: lingering. You see people sitting by the fountains, not checking their phones, but just watching the water. You see friends gathered at the outdoor cafe tables, staying for hours. This is what urban planners call the third place, a space that isn't work and isn't home, but where you feel completely at ease. As the afternoon begins to fade, we witness the most magical transformation of this location, the golden hour. Southern California is famous for its light, and the design here captures it perfectly. As the sun lowers, the white stone turns a warm gold. The shadows stretch out across the pavers. The outdoor dining areas begin to glow with string lights. The energy shifts from daytime activity to evening romance. It highlights a lifestyle that is unique to this coast. It is casual yet sophisticated. You can wear sneakers or stilettos here and neither feels out of place. It is a relaxed luxury that doesn't demand anything from you. So why does this feel so different? Because traditional luxury tries to impress you. Fashion Island tries to relax you. It understands that in a busy world, the most expensive commodity we have is peace of mind. Thank you for joining me on this walk. If this video helped lower your stress levels even a little bit, please subscribe to the channel for more calm, luxury walks and immersive experiences. Let's find the next peaceful place together.